Welcome back to our channel. I'm Shoko, your AI online money-making researcher. Today, I've got an incredible method to share with you. Imagine making over $900 a day just by searching on Google. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest money-making opportunities. Are you tired of the same old grind? Want to change your life and make easy money online in 2023? Imagine making over $100 per day, completely for free, by just searching on Google. It's possible, and I'm here to show you how. Keep watching because this is a game changer. Before we jump in, a quick disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your due diligence when trying out any online money-making method. Let's dive into the method. First things first, we need to set up a PayPal account to receive our earnings. Just go to PayPal, sign up for a free account, and your dashboard will soon look like mine. Next, head over to Google and search for the best of anything in any city. It's crucial to include the word best in your search query because this is the key to unlocking higher earnings. By searching for the best in a specific city, you're targeting businesses or services that are actively looking to improve their online presence. Now, let me share a little hack that can significantly boost your earnings. Stick around because this is where the magic happens. This hack will help you identify businesses that are ripe for the picking when it comes to improving their online visibility and SEO. So, stay tuned for this valuable insight. Now, let's dive into the exciting world of Fiverr. Here, you'll discover a treasure trove of gigs that are specifically designed to enhance the search engine rankings of local businesses. These gigs offer services that can help businesses get noticed and stand out in the online world, which is vital for their success. But here's the best part of this method: you don't need to be the one performing these services. You act as the middle person, and yet you can earn a solid $15 for each gig without breaking a sweat. It's like being the conductor of an orchestra, orchestrating SEO improvements and reaping the rewards effortlessly. So, stay with me as I guide you through this remarkable opportunity that allows you to help local businesses thrive in the digital landscape while earning money without the hassle of delivering these services yourself. The $15 I mentioned earlier is just the tip of the iceberg. When you explore Fiverr's commission plan, you'll realize that your earning potential goes way beyond that. In fact, you can earn anywhere from $15 up to a staggering $150 per action. And what exactly is this action? It's the act of buying a gig on Fiverr. Now, let's talk about the categories that can bring in the cash. Fiverr offers a diverse range of categories that cater to various needs and services. Whether it's graphic design, digital marketing, content creation, or even coding, Fiverr has it all. Each of these categories presents an opportunity for you to earn money. It's like having multiple streams of income at your fingertips. So, by tapping into these categories, you can significantly boost your earnings and unlock the true potential of this method. Stick around to find out how to make the most of these opportunities and start making money online. If you're looking for the best way to get started on Fiverr, here's a solid recommendation: begin with low-priced gigs that have garnered over 1,000 ratings, and if possible, aim for those with 5-star ratings. These gigs are not only reliable but also popular, making them a perfect choice for newcomers. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once you've found a gig that fits the bill, copy the link to that gig. In just a moment, I'll show you how to transform this simple link into your very own money-making machine. It's an incredibly straightforward process that can lead to significant earnings without any complicated steps. So, stick with me to uncover the secret to success on Fiverr. Now, let's take the next step. Go to your Fiverr dashboard, where the real transformation begins. Once you're there, navigate to the Marketing Tools section, and within that, find the Default and Deep links. Now, here's where it gets exciting. All you have to do is paste the gig link that you've just copied into this section. Once you hit that magical enter button, something extraordinary happens. You'll witness the transformation of a simple gig link into your very own affiliate link, and that's when the potential for earnings starts to skyrocket. It's like turning on a money-making machine with just a few clicks. Stay with me, and I'll show you how this affiliate link can become a powerful tool in your online money-making arsenal. The best part? It's surprisingly easy and effective. Now, here's where it gets truly exciting. Even if someone clicks on your affiliate link and decides not to purchase the specific gig you've promoted but ends up buying anything else on Fiverr within the next 30 days, you still get paid. That's right, you can earn a commission on their purchase, even if it's unrelated to the gig you initially shared. This means that your earning potential extends far beyond promoting a single gig. You become a part of the Fiverr ecosystem, and every sale made by a user who clicked on your link is an opportunity for you to earn. It's like planting seeds that can grow into a lush forest of earnings. So, stick around as I reveal how to make the most of this incredible feature and maximize your online income through Fiverr's affiliate program. It's a game changer in the world of online money making. Let's move on to optimizing your Google search to maximize your earnings. Here's the secret sauce: search for businesses that don't have SSL certificates. To do this, use a genius search string with HTTPS in the URL. By doing so, you'll filter out websites that lack this crucial security feature. Now, why is this important? Websites without SSL certificates are prime targets for local SEO optimization and, of course, the addition of SSL certificates. These businesses are struggling to secure their online presence, and that's where you come in. For each of these vulnerable pages, you can earn a substantial $30. It's like being the guardian angel of their online security while pocketing a handsome reward for your efforts. Stick with me as I explain how to identify these opportunities and make the most of them in your quest for easy online money making. Now that you've identified these potential opportunities, the next step is to reach out to these businesses via email. But hold on, you won't be left to compose your emails from scratch. I've got you covered with a proven and effective email script that I'm about to share with you. This email script is meticulously designed to get high open rates and, more importantly, to increase your chances of making a sale. It's simple, straightforward, and most importantly, repeatable. You can use it again and again to reach out to different businesses, making your online money-making journey that much smoother. For Gmail, you can keep your introductory email concise and friendly. Here's a simple script to get you started. Add an appealing subject, exploring business opportunities. And the body of the email should also be as appealing. Hi, recipient's name. I hope this email finds you well. I'm reaching out as I came across your website and was impressed by what you offer. I believe we could explore some exciting opportunities together. Looking forward to hearing from you. Best regards, and your name. And you can do the same if you have custom business email. Feel free to adapt and personalize these scripts to your specific needs. This money-making method is a fantastic way to harness the power of online opportunities. It opens the door to earning money seamlessly without excessive effort, offering a path to financial independence and success. The versatility of this approach is a standout feature. You can explore Fiverr's diverse categories, from graphic design to content creation and more, giving you numerous avenues to boost your income and create multiple streams of revenue. This method empowers you to earn money without performing the services directly. Instead, you become the orchestrator of SEO improvements, streamlining the process of helping local businesses thrive in the digital world. Your earnings don't stop at promoting a single gig. You become part of Fiverr's ecosystem, and every sale made by users who click on your affiliate link is a potential source of income. It's like planting seeds that can grow into a lush forest of earnings over time. The email script you'll receive is a powerful tool that simplifies the outreach process. Its effectiveness in increasing open rates and improving sales conversion rates will help you establish a steady income stream with ease. Making money online has never been more accessible, and this method offers you a reliable and sustainable way to increase your income. With this approach, you're not limited to a single gig or niche. Fiverr's wide array of categories allows you to tap into your interests and expertise, ensuring you have an exciting and fulfilling money-making experience. The power of passive income shines through the affiliate program on Fiverr. You can continue to earn from various sales made by users who initially clicked on your link, even if they choose different services or gigs. It's like setting up multiple revenue streams that work for you around the clock. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to start your online money-making journey, this method is an excellent choice. It doesn't require any special skills or a significant time investment, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced entrepreneurs. The resources mentioned in the video description provide you with an array of options to explore. Whether you want to delve into the recommended websites or seek assistance with business funding, you'll find valuable information to enhance your online money-making journey. Don't underestimate the potential of this method. By diligently following the steps and making the most of the affiliate program and Google search optimization, you can significantly increase your daily earnings, making this a game-changing opportunity for your financial future. So, there you have it, a fantastic method to make easy money online. But this is just the beginning. If you're interested in more online money-making opportunities, keep watching our channel. We've got plenty more to share with you. Thanks for watching. If you've subscribed, a big thank you to you. Your support means the world to us. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Remember to like, comment, and share this video. If you want to support our channel further, you can even donate to us through the link in the description. And hey, if you want to show off your support, check out our channel merchandise. Just drop us an email at thokatrading@gmail.com. If you need help with video editing, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our video editing team is ready to assist you. Email us for details. And lastly, if you're interested in the websites we've talked about in this video, or if you need assistance with business funding, check out the links in the description. And don't forget to grab a copy of the book Transform Your Home into a Cash Machine. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Choco, your AI online money-making researcher, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring those money-making opportunities.